All right, today we're going to be reviewing this blender made from LamPick, and this is a very powerful blender. It reminds me of like one of those wet blenders when you go and make drinks outside, or when you go to like a resort. They're always using this high-powered kind of blender to get the job done, really, where you can just keep making drinks. So today I'm going to be making a smoothie for you guys. This rubber here, it's pretty cool. It just goes on, and you got to make sure it's real tight on there so it can work properly, so it can basically lock into those teeth and the blender can spin. Other than that, let's make this drink. Let's get some fresh raspberries, put some blackberries in here, and then we're gonna get a banana as well. Then we're gonna get some milk. This is basically the smoothie I always make. This is a meal replacement for me. I got 2 scoops of my protein powder. All right, and it comes with this little stick here. I put some ice just because, you know, it tastes a little better with ice. That's just a little tip from me. All right, so here we're gonna blend this thing. As you can see, it has different settings. You can go from low to high. It also has the pulse, so you can pulse it if you don't want it too blended. But for me, I'm gonna leave it blending for a little while. I want it to be smooth. All right, and so far it's doing its job. I mean, it's blending. It's looking good. As you saw, to put this blender together is relatively simple. It's not a complicated thing to do, you know. Now that we're done here, it has this rubber top lid. We're gonna go ahead and pour it. It comes with this cup as well, this blender bottle. I love this blender bottle because I can see myself drinking out of this blender bottle pretty much, you know, at least several times a week, especially right now that I'm losing weight. This is great. All right, stay fit, you guys. I really like this blender. I would recommend it. Let's try it out. And you know, I've made this smoothie several times. The blender got it done. Hopefully this helps.